Ageing, infrastructure and modernisation. There are a lot of organisations out there that are really grappling with this subject because there's so many challenges of doing that or managing that, this ageing infrastructure. And they're either considering doing something about it or they're actively planning to modernise their infrastructure. So can you tell me what's the problem here?
Sure, Graham. Aging IT infrastructure can cause a number of problems, including performance issues and reduced productivity, hardware failures, data corruption, security risks, difficulty in finding replacement parts, increased costs, and finally, environmental impact.
Wow, quite a list there. Is there anything else you want to add to that?
And maybe just to expand to say, just to kind of bring it to what happens in the companies, kind of when you get low performance and hardware failures, you've got staff that are sitting around unable to work just because of your IT systems, and that all costs money. And your performance, you may have customers at the end of one of your web services and they're not getting a response and they'll give up and go somewhere else.
Don't we all?
And it's all of these things don't just affect, it's not just an IT issue, it's a business issue and can affect your customer relationships and all kinds of other problems that we all like to have happy customers.
Yeah, so very, very frustrating.
Yeah, very.
Okay, with that in mind then, what are the signs that you need to look out for that your infrastructure is ageing?
So that follows on from the last question. Your computers and your software are often slow and unresponsive. You experience frequent outages and data loss as well. Your existing infrastructure is incompatible with newer software and hardware. So you've got to buy, when you buy new equipment, it doesn't work.
Yeah.
You're having difficulties with maintenance and support. Again, that goes back to finding the parts and getting things done for you. Your systems are not secure enough. Security is a big thing now. You're paying a lot of money to maintain those systems, and your systems are not meeting the needs of your business.
Okay, so let's just say my infrastructure is ageing. What are the benefits of replacing it? It may seem obvious after what you've just said there, but what are the benefits?
Yeah, and there's a lot of benefits, but the main ones we talk to and find with our customers, certainly before and after we put their refresh in, is an improvements in the performance and the security becoming an ever-growing issue that we have today. Their overall costs, we generally put in less equipment, less electricity, which has a knock-on to improving the environmental impacts, and increase in productivity for the users. These users that were sitting around doing nothing while IT was down are now working. And that'll then, with your improvements, you can be more agile, you can change things, you can put systems in that wouldn't have been able to run on your old platform. And through that, you can start to gain competitive advantage against other businesses that haven't had the same foresight to go and refresh their solutions.
So many benefits.
Many, and many more.
Okay, so let's just say that we've gathered that my infrastructure is ageing and there's all these issues with it. So what are the benefits for me as a customer to replace?
Yes, there's lots of benefits, and the main ones that we tend to get with our customers tend to be improved performance, just because new kit's faster than old kit. New kit has better security features built in it, which is an ever-growing problem today. There is a reduction in cost. We tend to put in less equipment and it's more efficient, which brings an impact into your environmentals, less electricity, less cooling, and it saves money. We also get an improvement in productivity with the end users. They're the people that were sitting around not having very much to do while they were waiting for IT to be fixed. They're now out there working and they're doing things. You can also improve the applications and systems you deploy within your business, allowing your users to do more in less time and allow some agility to do things that just weren't possible with your old systems. And if you're being agile and you're changing, then you can improve your business competitiveness against other people that are a bit further behind in that process than you are, just by doing things differently as a business than they're able to do.
So in reality, there are a lot of benefits to doing this.
Lots of benefits.
Okay, so Could you explain how, together Kyocera with HP or in partnership with HP or powered by HP, can provide this assistance in regards to this aging infrastructure modernisation and what this actually might look like for me as a customer?
Yeah, sure. So we would have a customer engagement and we would obviously speak to yourselves and we would talk about what it is you're trying to achieve, what your business goals are, why you want this change, why you started talking to us. We would take that and build that into a scope of the work that we're going to do. We would take that and look at our partner community, of which HPE is one of our most critical, certainly in all of our server and ICT space. And we would build together a solution integrating all of these that we can then bring back to yourselves, discuss, have a look at what your original requirements were, and we'd spend a lot of time talking about how we managed to meet your requirements with the proposal and the solution that we've put forward. We would step beyond that. Obviously, we would also discuss cost. Everyone wants everything, but there's always a budget. And from there, we would then be able to offer services that would include actually deploying all the solutions into your data center and doing data migrations, which is a very, very critical part of this. And that's the piece where we try and minimize the downtime to your business. And then from then onwards, we would also be able to offer managed services where we take this platform once it's gone live and keep it operating in an efficient and effective way to meet the needs of your business.
Okay, Marcus mentioned that we work closely or we're powered by or supported by HPE. And I've heard this term HPE GreenLake. Can you tell me more about what that is?
GreenLake is a suite of infrastructure as a service tools, so IaaS, which allows customers to consume IT resources on a pay-as-you-use basis, so very similar to other public clouds. And some of the key features of GreenLake are hybrid cloud by design, simplified operations, and edge to cloud. Hybrid cloud by design means that inherently being hybrid, you can deploy and manage your resources across those private clouds.
Okay.
Simplified operations, where your management comes across multi-cloud environments, providing a self-service experience that helps innovate faster as well. And edge to cloud, which means GreenLake brings the cloud experience closer to the edge and closer to your data centers. GreenLake aims to reduce your IT complexity and accelerate productivity, helping businesses to embrace a hybrid cloud strategy to meet their needs.
So, I don't know which one of you can answer this one, but what about containerized applications? Can you tell me more about this and how this works with GreenLake?
Sure, yeah. So for Kyocera, powered by HPE, offer a containerized platform known as Emerald Runtime Enterprise, and it's built on open source Kubernetes, designed for both cloud native applications and non-cloud native applications. It provides the necessary tools to build, modernize, deploy, monitor and manage a wide range of AI analytics workloads, thereby unleashing the full potential of digital transformation. Additionally, Kyocera, powered by HPE, can offer this as a GreenLake service, GreenLake for containers.
Okay, well, that was a nice quick answer. And what if I want to use the Microsoft Azure stack?
Yes, there's a GreenLake option for that too. So GreenLake for Microsoft Azure Stack HCI, where the Azure Stack HCI is an on-premise cloud platform that allows you to run similar tools and services as you would in Azure Public Cloud, but for your on-premise workloads. So you get some of the benefits of the Azure Cloud, but you're running it on your own premise and you're running it in a GreenLake pay-as-you-go model. So you have pretty much everything that you would expect to get from your cloud, but being able to run it in the better security of your own premises, or if that's how you feel more comfortable. So it's all there for you.
Okay, so how does VMware fit into all of this?
VMware fits in very well. They're the market leader in hypervisor technology, and as such, Kyocera have a great depth of knowledge and experience in putting solutions together and managing them and everything in between. We tend to build all this on HPE technology, kind of leveraging HPE's 20+ year association and strategic partnership with VMware, which has led to the HPE equipment being very fit for purpose for all of the VMware solutions that we put forward. We do, as we have a lot of experience, we do consulting to help you understand what you want to do and what you need to do with VMware, and professional services to help put it in place, and then operational management. Once you've got it in place, we manage an awful lot of VMware solutions. It's a very popular choice, Graham.
So a good fit.
Yes, it is.
Okay, that sounds good. What if I need to look at updating or enhancing a data center? I mean, to improve its efficiency and effectiveness, how would that work?
That's not a problem. We can assist in creating an IT strategy that includes your data center facility plan. So this will determine the number, location, size, and type of data centers needed. It also will offer services to assess your IT mix so that you can devise a data center ready for the hybrid workload.
Okay, so that's pretty comprehensive, but what can we offer, or what can Kyocera offer around application modernisation?
Hi, Graham. Yeah, so for that, we can do migrations into the cloud. We work with your third-party software vendors to see what the possibilities are. Some of them offer a SaaS service, software as a service, that will run natively in the vendor's cloud, saving you the headache of actually trying to run the cloud infrastructure to support it. But we help look at each of your applications case by case and just find the best fit for it, whether it's potentially something that should stay on premise or something that goes to a public cloud, a private cloud, or whether it goes to a software as a service. But we run through that all with you just to help make the decisions.
Okay, so what you're saying is, by leveraging these services from Kyocera and powered by HPE, businesses can modernise their whole IT infrastructure?
Yeah, exactly. So with the GreenLake, we create a cloud-like experience with your on-premise infrastructure, which allows you to optimize your cost, ease of management, and efficiency and effectiveness of your solutions, just the same as if it was running in a public cloud.
Okay, well, thank you, Pedro and Marcus, for that. So in closing, what is the one key takeaway that you want the audience to remember?
I'd say Kyocera and HPE aim to help organizations to overcome the challenges of the aging IT infrastructure, and therefore help them to successfully transition to a more modern, efficient, and effective systems.
And you, Marcus?
Yeah, it brings the value to the customer of improving their operational efficiency, innovation, security, and sets them up for future growth of their business.
Well, that seems to have covered all of my queries here today, or my questions here today. And your time and expertise has been much appreciated. Thank you very much. I've learned a lot today. Thank you. Now, if you're currently watching this video and you're contemplating on modernising your ageing infrastructure, then please do not hesitate to get in contact with us. The details of which will be at the end of this video. We'll put all the details of how to contact us on there. And keep an eye out for any other up and coming videos that we're going to be having. We've got some other ones that we've done in the past of our scoop videos. Please look out for those. And lastly, if you are keen to sign up for maybe a newsletter, or just want to touch base with us, chat with us about anything that we do here at Kyocera, please get in contact with us. But thank you for listening, and goodbye.